Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine at your home. Here also I am very fine, Nana. Before going to discussing about social topics, what day is today, my dear? Today is Wednesday and the date is 23rd, month is June and the year is 2021. So in our previous videos, what I taught you, yes, states and its capitals up to Haryana to Maharashtra states of explanation are completed. So today I am going to giving about the state of Manipur. This is the 15th state, Nana. So Manipur capital is Imphal. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. A variety of fruits such as lychee, chestnut, walnut, papaya and passion fruit are grown in Manipur, Nana. These types of all different types of fruits are grown in Manipur. So what are they, Nana? Lychee, chestnut, walnut, papaya and passion fruit. Okay children, next craftsmen make articles from bamboo, cane and leather. So craftsmen, so these are making different types of articles from bamboo, cane and leather. Next popular dance of Manipur is Manipuri dance. So what is the name of their popular dance, Nana? Manipuri dance. So what are the tourist attraction? Imphal and Ukhrul. So Imphal is the capital, so that one is also attract from tourist, Nana. So Imphal and Ukhrul, these two are attract many tourists. Okay children, do you understood about Manipur, Nana? So next one is next state Meghalaya. Meghalaya capital is Shillong. So people of this state belong to the Garo, Khasi and Jaintia tribes. So mostly ఈ స్టేట్ యొక్క వాళ్ళు ఎవరు అంటే గారో, ఖాసీ, జైంటి అనేటువంటి ట్రైబల్ పీపుల్ అన్నమాట. ఖాసీ అండ్ గారో ఆర్ వైడ్లీ స్పోకెన్ లాంగ్వేజెస్. సో వాళ్ళు స్పోకెన్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ బాగా మాట్లాడతారు. హూ ఆర్ దే అన్న? ఖాసీ అండ్ గారో. నెక్స్ట్ ద స్ట్రాబెర్రీ ఫెస్టివల్ ఈజ్ అ బిగ్ టూరిస్ట్ అట్రాక్షన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద బిగ్ టూరిస్ట్ అట్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ మేఘాలయ డియర్? The strawberry festival. Next popular places to visit by people, Nana. What are they? Shillong and Cherrapunji. Okay Nana, Shillong and Cherrapunji are popular places to visit. Next state is Mizoram, Nana. Mizoram capital is Aizawl. What is that? Aizawl. Next, the traditional farming of Mizoram has now been replaced with fruit and rose cultivation. So the traditional farming of Mizoram has now been replaced with fruit and rose cultivation. And the traditional farming ki బదులుగా వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? ఆ ట్రెడిషనల్ ఫార్మింగ్కి రీప్లేస్ చేసినటువంటి కల్టివేషన్ ఏంటంటే చిల్డ్రన్, ఫ్రూట్ అండ్ రోజ్ కల్టివేషన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ పీపుల్ మేక్ సిల్క్ ఫ్రమ్ సిల్క్ వార్మ్స్. సో సమ్ పీపుల్ వాట్ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్, నానా? దే ఆర్ పీపుల్ మేక్ silk from silkworms. Next, Chapchar Cut is an important festival celebrated in March. So in the month of March they will be celebrated important festival, Nana. That name is Chapchar Cut. Next state is Nagaland, children. What is the capital of Nagaland? Yes, that is Kohima. Nagaland capital is Kohima. Apart from farming and weaving, wood carving and pottery are also important occupations. So Their occupations are farming and weaving, wood carving and pottery. These 4 are their occupations. Okay children. Next, the Nagas wear shawls of different designs. So Nagaland people are wearing different designs of shawls, Nana. We can tell the tribe a Naga belongs to from the design on her or his shawl. అంటే వాళ్ళు వేసుకున్నటువంటి అతని కానీ ఆమె కానీ వేసుకున్నటువంటి షాల్ని బట్టి వాళ్ళు ఏ ట్రైబ్కి చెందిన వాళ్ళు అనేది మనం చెప్పేసేయచ్చు అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ కోహిమా అండ్ దిమాపూర్ ఆర్ ప్లేసెస్ ఆఫ్ టూరిస్ట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. సో ఇన్ నాగాలాండ్ సమ్ టూరిస్ట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ప్లేసెస్ ఆర్ దేర్. సో దోస్ ఆర్ కోహిమా అండ్ దిమాపూర్, Nana. Next children, today's 5th state and its capital is Odisha. So Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar. Actually Odisha is famous for its textiles, next silver work and handicrafts item. So these 3 are famous of Odisha. Next, some deposits are found here, Nana. Those are coal, next iron ore and manganese deposits are also found here, Nana. Next, Cuttack, next Rourkela or industrial cities in Odisha. Next, their popular dance is Odissi. What is the dance of Odisha, Nana? Odissi. Okay. Next, most people speak Odia. Their language is, Nana, their language is what? Yes, Odia. Next, the Ratha Yatra is a popular festival. What is the popular festival of Odisha? Ratha Yatra. Next, the Chilika Lake with its birds sanctuary attracts many tourists. So in Odisha, Chilika Lake is there, Nana. So with its bird sanctuary, so many tourists are attracting, Nana. Next state is Punjab, Nana. Punjab capital is Chandigarh. Already I taught you that Chandigarh also capital of another state. What it is? Do you remind that? Yes, that is absolutely Haryana. Haryana capital is Chandigarh and Punjab capital is Chandigarh, Nana. The farmers of Punjab use modern machines such as tractors and harvesters. So they are using modern machines for the farming, Nana. Those are tractors and harvesters. Next, people are fond of makki ki roti, sarson ka saag and lassi. So they are very interested to eating items of makki ki roti. You have to observe in this picture, Nana. Next, sarson ka saag and lassi. Next, they celebrate Baisakhi and Lohri. What are the festivals in Punjab, dear? They celebrate Baisakhi. This is the festival, and also Lohri. Next, popular folk dances of Punjab are Bhangra and Gidda. What are the dances, Nana? Folk dances of Punjab? Bhangra and Gidda. Next, many tourists visit the Golden Temple in Amritsar. So Amritsar, in the Amritsar, Golden Temple is there, Nana. So many tourists are visited this temple, Nana. Next state is Rajasthan, Nana. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Rajasthan is completely covered by sandy, Nana, and also rocky because there is a desert. That is why there is completely sand is there. Great Indian Desert, and also known as the Thar Desert, Nana. Next, Luni is the most important river. Some places oasis also found, Nana. So most people villages are situated along the oasis because oasis also green area surrounding a water source in a desert is called oasis. So surrounding the oasis, people or villages are situated around the oasis, ma. Next, Rajasthan people occupations are mostly rare sheep, next goat, camel and cattle. Some of them are farmers, Nana. Next, some people are also travel from one place to another in search of food for themselves and their animals. So those type of people are called Banjaras, Nana. Next, people love to eat dal bati churma. Next, they celebrate Gangar and Tej. Next, Ghumar and Kalbelia are popular folk dances, Nana. Next, Rajasthan major cities are Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer and Bikaner or some big cities. So mostly Jaipur is called the pink city, Nana. I thought you well understood about today's states and their capitals. So in remaining part I'll make you in remaining states and capitals, Nana. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.